an equilateral triangle piece of paper was folded along the dotted line. That's what you see over here. Okay, so find x, right? So in this case, what we're going to do is, so we know that all of the, what do you call this? All of the angles are 60 degrees. Okay, so if I were to write here, all angles in equilateral triangle is equal to 60 degrees, right? So we know that these are all 60 in this sense. All right, so that means if this, let me draw this out. Okay, so if this, let me also put a different color. If, oh no, it's not. Okay, let me erase this first. Okay, let me draw a different color. If this is 60, so I'm going to write here 60, right? 60 degrees. Okay, so if this is 60, then that means when you fold, right? When you fold, then this is also 60, right? There you go. Right. So now we know that this is 60. So I'm just going to put the 60 here outside. So now we have x. Okay, so next thing is this is 24, right, degrees. So we also know that I'm going to put another color to draw this out. So we also know that this is 60 degrees. Okay, right. Then I'm just going to copy and paste this and put into a different color, right? So when you fold things, right, like this, so essentially this so in essence, let me just put another one like this. So this angle is also equal to this angle, right? But at the same time, when you fold this angle, that means, let me draw the line like small, this over here. Okay, so if I were to put it here like this, right, because I'm drawing by scale, this dotted line, I'm gonna draw it here, dot, dot, dot. Okay, and then this one also, I'm gonna draw it like this to this. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, so this like this, right? Okay, so I'm gonna join like this. So that means when you fold things like this is also folded. I mean, there is two of the same angles. Okay, so when you fold, right, you will actually create angle Y. That's what you see over here. So I actually, what do you call this? Outline the original triangle. And since you fold, right, if you think about it, you actually also combine two of the same angles as what you see over here. So angle Y and angle Y in this case. So that means, right, when we fold the triangle, we create two same angles, in this case called angle Y, right? So I think from here we can solve, we can get what do you call this, angle Y, and we can also have X as well, right? So for this, or angle Y, so the angle, yeah, correct. Okay, angle Y is equal to, so we know that this whole thing also, right? Let me duplicate this whole thing, right? Perfect. It's also 60 degrees, this whole thing. So that means we can just, angle Y is, right, 60 minus 24. And then we put brackets because we also wanted to divide it by 2. Okay, so 60 minus 24, right? So let me use the calculator, is 36. Okay, 36. And then you also divide by 2, and this will give us 18 degrees, right? So now we know Y is 18 degrees. Okay, then we know this angle is 60. We can actually get X. So angle X, right? So since this is a whole triangle, angle X is equal to 180, whoops, 180 minus 60 minus 18. Okay, 120 minus, this is 102 degrees. Okay, and that's the answer to this. All right, so if I were to double check again, so just 180 minus 60 minus 18, and that will be 102 degrees. All right, that's it.